You know you're in Vietnam when you're just enjoying the absolute pleasures of life.
Good morning, Vietnam! Time to rock it from the Delta to the DMZ.
One of the best to ever do it.
Bring me a dream, make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Bring me a dream.
G'day there, welcome to my home. Please, come in. You'll really like it.
Bring me a dream, make him the cutest that I've ever seen. Bring me a dream, make him the cutest.
So welcome everybody, here we are in my brand new apartment. It has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a big living, dining, kitchen area, and yeah, this is it. This is my home for the next year at least, here in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh City. In case you're wondering how much it costs $550 per month. It's really cheap and it's great. So let's go have a walk around and let's see. So over here, where we are here, is the dining area and the lounge. It's really spacious, it's really convenient. It's quite a big apartment. I don't know how many square meters, I'd have to ask, but who cares? It's big enough for me anyway, by myself. Yeah, it's all good. Over here we have the kitchen behind me. Huge ass kitchen, and the laundry is pretty good. Really like this kitchen. It's really my favorite place because I love eating and I'm fat. In here is the second bedroom. The reason it's the second bedroom, it's not the master one. The master one has a bathroom, a little bit of a charging station here, and a whole lot of storage, so it's pretty good. So if anybody wants to come stay, you're more than welcome, as long as I know you and you're not creepy. And here is the second bathroom, like the shared bathroom and everything that everybody uses and blah blah blah. Standard mirror, sink, toilet, and shower area. Pretty standard, pretty easy. Through here you have the master bedroom. It looks really good. It's big and spacious. It's pretty huge. It's got lots of storage up there. It's pretty cool. Through here we got the bathroom, the master bathroom for people, for me. It's currently not working yet because the people are useless and it keeps breaking, so it's been repaired 4 times, so we'll see what happens after the Tet holiday, whether it gets fixed or not. But anyway, big shower, standard toilet, bathroom, yeah. One thing that's special about this place is it has a swimming pool, so let's go check it out. Oh, and a tennis court too. So this is the pool area. Naturally there's a lot of kids here because it's Tet holidays and stuff. Usually there's nobody here, but it's the only time I can show you. So anyway, there's a beautiful swimming pool. It's absolutely fantastic and I bloody love it. I use it every day. It's relaxing, especially when there's no kids around. That's better, but we'll tolerate it for today. Alright, there is a tennis court, but I can't be bothered showing you that, just trust me, there is one. And there's a gym behind me, but you have to pay $20 US extra a month, and yeah, at this moment I've just moved here, so we'll just save all the money we can. That's it for today. It's a really short, quick video. Like and subscribe. There will be more stuff coming out really soon. This whole thing will be all about comedy and not necessarily about Vietnam itself. Just funny things that I see around and sort of similar stuff but a little bit different. We're going to have segments like stories. Tim Chabot, thank God, is the first one. So he told a pretty funny story. What else? We're going to have shit people do on the internet and recreate a few things. And a few other segments like that, maybe a bit of charity if we can manage it. So anyway, again, like and subscribe. I'm James Wilkes. Peace out.